MD DNB Pediatrics residency is not easy. 24-hour duties, NICU calls, ward rounds, case presentations. After exhausting duties, you still have theory exams, practicals, OSCEs, and Viva preparation waiting for you. Theory plus practical plus Viva plus thesis. And somewhere between all this, most residents struggle with one thing: conceptual clarity. Memorizing does not equal understanding. That's why every MD DNB Pediatrics resident must join Conceptual Pediatrics. Learn from India's leading pediatrics faculty. Attend interactive live lectures designed exclusively for pediatrics residents. Live classes, real-time doubt solving, clinical discussions, question bank and solved exam papers. Missed a class because of duty? Don't worry. Get access to recorded lectures and study anytime, anywhere after hospital hours. Recorded lectures available 24/7. Learn pediatrics the way it should actually be learned. Case-based discussions, clinical approach, concept-focused teaching, OSCE and Viva preparation, high-yield resident notes. Because in pediatrics, confidence comes from concepts, not cramming. Be clinical, be conceptual, be confident. Whether you are a first-year resident adjusting to residency or a final-year resident preparing for exams and superspecialty goals, Conceptual Pediatrics is designed to support you at every step.